everyone. Welcome to the session. Today we will discuss about stored procedures in SQL. Okay. What is stored procedure? Stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save, so the code can be reused over and over again. Okay, so if you have a SQL query that you write over and over again, save it as a stored procedure and then just call it to execute it. You can pass parameters to the stored procedure, to a stored procedure. Okay, so that the stored procedure can act based on the parameter that is passed. Let's see the syntax of stored procedure. Create procedure, procedure name as begin, and here we can write SQL statements. Okay. So here you can also write, instead of procedure, you can just write proc as well. This also works. Now we will see how to execute a stored procedure. Okay, so you can execute by using the keyword execute procedure name, or you can write exec procedure name, or you can just call by using the procedure name. Okay, so now we will see some examples here. So, and for this I will use AdventureWorks database. Okay, let's say I have a table person.person. I have these many records. Let's say I'm using this query over and over again. So what I can do, I can create a procedure, the name test2 as begin, and here I can write SQL statements. Okay, let's say I will write select star from person itself. Okay, so I can compile this by using execute key button. So it has been compiled. And also one more point is, you have to always keep in mind that this has to be the first statement in the session. So in the session, you can split these two statements using a go statement. If I remove this go statement, the IntelliSense will throw an error, incorrect syntax. Let's say if I execute both at once, I'll get an error saying create or alter procedure must be the first statement in the query batch. So in order to do this, I can use go statement. As I already compiled it, I will just show you by altering statement. Okay. Now I will execute this. As I compiled, I will execute this query now. Procedure. Okay. You can use full keyword execute, or you can just execute by using procedure name. Okay. Now let's see how to create, how to pass a parameters, how to pass parameters to the stored procedure. Okay, so I'll copy this and I'll try to alter the same procedure. So one way is you can drop this procedure, recreate it, or I can alter the procedure using alter keyword, and I will add a parameter person type which is of worker field, and I will use this parameter in my query of person type. Okay, so I'll alter this and I will try to execute by passing the parameters. So here we will see what parameters we can pass and what are the distinct records we have in person type. These are the values. So for timing, I will pass it as VC. These are the distinct values. First, I'll show by passing VC. It's 156 records. And let's pass GC, the last one. So here it is 289. This is here we are passing single parameter. Okay, let's see how we can pass multiple parameters. So we'll put a go statement here, and we will say title, again what share of 255, and I will leave this against title field title. So I am altering the status here. I will call, let's say in VC, we will say Mr. Top. Okay, here we will get 90 records. Okay, in the next session, we will see about SQL comments. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.